Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to screen mirror Google Pixel on Samsung TV. Let's go. Is it possible? Only if you have a Chromecast. Make sure your phone and Chromecast are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you have Chromecast, connect the Chromecast to the TV and select it from the sources. Open Google Home app. Add New device. Chromecast. Connect Chromecast to Google Home. Open Chromecast. Tap Cast My Screen. Without Chromecast, you can only cast YouTube. That's it. Now you know how to screen mirror Google Pixel to Samsung TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.